Good girl. Yes, good puppies. Good puppies. Arf, arf, arf. Oh.
You didn't take my picture yet, Dad.
I'm recording her,
Oh.
so you can just keep playing with her.
She's like, whatever.
You're a pretty mellow dog, you know that? Pretty chill.
Not when it's bedtime.
Or food time. Yeah, now it's bedtime. You want to investigate? Oh!
Go get Dad.
Hey.
Go get Dad. She's looking at me like, What are you doing? Don't crawl on Mom. Oh, she's thirsty. Can we turn this off now?